Hello, my name is Kyle Brinker. I am a mathematics student here at Emporia State University, and today we will be looking at the Frayer Model for vocabulary learning and independent events with high school statistics. In this lesson, students will be able to apply the Frayer Model into their mathematics classrooms. And the course in question will revolve around high school statistics, either between ninth and 12th grade, while incorporating the text titled Independent Events that was published by the Corporate Finance Institute. This is the web page here. Just talks about independent events, and essentially independent events are events where one outcome does not affect the other. A little about the Frayer model. I first learned about the Frayer model from the Iris Center at Vanderbilt University. They have some great resources there. And it allows students to combine all the elements of learning, such as the conceptualization, defining the word, getting examples, non-examples, and exposure to the word itself. Um, it allows students who read the text to become acquainted with keywords and be able to conceptualize them into these examples and non-examples, such as in the text with independent events, and understanding what it means for the definition of an independent event. This in turn leads to a deeper understanding of the word itself or the vocabulary term in question, and a deeper understanding of the text in general. So this is what the Frayer model looks like. It's the blank template. The word goes in the middle here, and then you got your definition up here. Then there's facts and characteristics about the word, and then examples and non-examples. And this is courtesy of alled.org, another great site. Now, how would I integrate this into my mathematics classroom? Well, I would assign the text prior to class for students to read and then fill out their version of the Frayer model template. And I completed one just to show an example. So I have independent events in the middle. I have a definition of two events that have no effect on each other's outcomes. And a characteristic of this is the first event does not affect the other. So as the example, the most common example is simply flipping a coin. When you flip the first coin, you get a result of heads or tails. But then when you flip the second coin, that first flip had absolutely no effect on the results of the second flip. Therefore, it's an independent event. A non-example is drawing one marble from a bag and then drawing another one without replacing that first marble, because then the probability has changed and the first outcome has affected the second. So going back to our presentation here. So this allows students to create a deeper understanding of the content by associating these definitions, such as independent events, with the examples in order to understand and promote different forms of learning in order to understand that vocabulary word or words. Um, and then how would I assess this vocabulary strategy with my students? Well, the first way is to just see how my students understand the material following assigning the reading. So how they interact in class, how well they understand it. And then I would also observe the students' questions and responses to the text and the answers to the Frayer model. Here's my references and stuff for further reading. And I would like to thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at kbrinker@g.emporia.edu. Have a great day.